TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. Appreciate you growling and prowling with us out here. Right now, you get the Dow Industrials down 31, Nasdaq's off 3, S&P's are down 2. We have the gold contract trading up $6 at 11.30. Silver's up 8 cents at $14.84 an ounce. You got platinum down 3 at 9.31 an ounce. Copper is up a penny at $2.30 a pound. The light sweet crude flat, $46.45 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year down 6 ticks, 127.29. 30-year off 19 ticks, 155.05. Both the 10 and the 30, folks, got to higher price out here today, have volume behind the move. I expect what you're going to see is it going to be up at higher price once again as our own markets continue to sell off and go into lower price. King dollar down 151. King dollar was going up into its swing point, failed at the swing point with price and volume. Euro up 67 at 111, and the yen flat at 120.25. Now, if we come over and we take a look at the SPYs, folks, what you're going to be seeing is this, okay? Bottom line is that the market's having a hard time holding price. The European markets saved themselves in an extraordinary way this morning. We'll start with the S&P. What you have is this. Our own SPY, what do you do yesterday? You get down to a price point of this 192.56. Right now, we're trading at 193.93. I expect you're going to build some cause here to get into the low that was established out here on September 1st. Inside the NDX 100, same type of setup inside the NDX 100. We're up 6 pennies right now. Bottom line, you came down yesterday into a price point of 103.13. What is game here is 100.63. And the bond market is what's still screaming that the S&Ps want lower price. When you take a look at bonds, that's what we have. 10-year bond this morning got to 128.11. Now, the high of the 10-year, high period, is 129.10. We got into that level. You have an expansion of volume happening. Right now, you're at 416,000 contracts. That's saying we're going to do about 1 million contracts. That is saying that you're pushing swing points and you're pushing that swing point with volume. The 30-year, what do you have with the 30-year? 30-year, same type of setup. 30-year this morning got to a price point of 156.08. You've done 81,000 contracts. That'll push in about probably 200,000 contracts. The 30-year is weaker than the 10-year. King dollar, here we go. King dollar. What do you have with King dollar? King dollar, folks, is going to fail on price and volume once again. It's pretty wild watching this thing shake out. What we had done is this. The failure this morning is going into the swing point that was established out here on the 3rd of September. That's 96.92. That area there, by the way, okay, that was trying to get to a minor swing point from August 19th. This is really just showing that, guess what? King dollar wants lower price. King dollar is going to, once again, make a run for the lows. The last low out here was 94.19. The larger low that has some real juice in it is the August 24th low of the 92 area. When you take a look at these markets out here, what I expect you're going to see out here today is this. You're going to see continued pressure on the way down. The DAX in Germany, the FTSE and the UK. Bottom line, they try to get to higher price out here. They're failing on price, on volume. Those babies are building cause to break out the bottoms that were established on the 24th of August. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call 855-750-4051. And right now, folks, they got a great deal on bullion coins. You can get gold at $75 over spot. You can get silver $7 over spot. You can call them at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
If you're looking Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.